Forklifts are one of the most useful and widely used pieces of machinery in our workplaces. They can lift, load, unload, stack and transfer crates, drums, pallets and other materials. Forklifts also have the potential to be one of the most dangerous pieces of equipment in the workplace. Each year, forklifts are involved in hundreds of workplace accidents that result in fatalities, serious injuries and property damage. Forklift training is usually aimed at the forklift driver, yet more than 50% of forklift fatalities and serious injuries involve pedestrians. It is also interesting to note that half of the pedestrians killed are crushed by a forklift that is barely moving.